Have you ever wondered why working professional using ChatGPT get job up to 1 crore packages? Here are 3 common things. Number 1, clear communication. They give clear and specific prompt to ChatGPT and ChatGPT produces better results, saving them more time. Number 2, adaptability. This means they adopt, improvise quickly whatever ChatGPT gives as incorrect or half response. Number 3, active feedback and iterations. They constantly refine their prompts and produce better and faster results. So, if you are someone who is looking to speed up your work and want a high-paying job, then leveraging ChatGPT and other AI tools is the way to go. Hi, my name is Aditya Kachwe and I am an alumni of IIT Kharagpur and co-founder of multiple 8-figure companies like V10X, Mad About Sport and Muni Tech. If you have this question if this workshop is good or not, let me tell you something. There are 50,000 people who have attended our workshop and gave us average rating of 4.92 out of 5. If you want to learn all this, join before tonight and get bonuses worth 10,500 rupees.